Hello everyone, this is Navneet. Thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can able to go and bring the data from MySQL to a Redshift using the zero ETL. In the last video, we have learned how you can able to go and bring the data from Salesforce and store the data into a Redshift using the zero ETL. And then here we will be going and in subsequent video, we are going to go and learn how you can able to bring the data from the DynamoDB and have the data stored into a Redshift. And then later we will be creating the materialized view by joining all the data together, and then we will be using the same data via MCP server that allow you to do a self-service and ask you to do have a natural language query. And then we will be subsequently learning how you can able to use Bedrock with the Redshift, and then we will be looking to see how you can able to go and connect with the quick suite and able to do a natural language. You can able to build a natural language chatbot using the quick suite. I have already created a video around how you can able to integrate your Redshift with an MCP server. You can watch that video, and similarly I have created a video getting started with the quick suite. You can watch the video as well. With that, let's get started. So this is Aurora RDS. We will be going into the zero ETL integration. We will be going and creating the zero ETL. We will be giving the name. This is MySQL to Redshift v1, and then I will be going and selecting the database here. Do you have an option if you're looking to go bring only a set of data? You can able to provide, for instance, I have retail, and then you will be having a star, so it will be only bringing the retail data. But in our case, I'm looking to go and bring all the data. And let me go, and this is where it will be asking option whether you're looking to go and looking to perform that in the same account, you're looking to do in a different account. At the same time, are you looking to do with the Redshift, or are you looking to do with the glue data catalog? Here we are looking to go and have the data inserted into Redshift. Once the data, I will be selecting my Redshift serverless cluster. I have selected that, and now we'll go next. Here I will be going and creating the zero ETL integration. It takes some time to get it created, usually around, if you see here, based on the size, it may take up to 30 minutes, but usually it will get done in 5 to 10 minutes again, based on the data. My data set is very small, so it won't take much of time. So right now I will be going and pausing the video, and we'll come back once this is active. Okay. Okay, so this is being done. So your zero integration has been created successfully for the database, for the database, this one. So now we will be going and it's asking me to finish the setting up integration, create a database in the Amazon Redshift, and how your experience creating. Okay, let's go to the Redshift now. So here is my Redshift, and so if you go into the zero ETL here, and you're able to go and see this MySQL, and this is where you're asking me to go and create a database integration. So I will be going and providing this Aurora MySQL, and then I will be just going say, okay, create database. Once done, it will be going and showcasing the database here. It take few seconds before it start showing the database. So if you see here, it's showing creating. It may take few minutes or few seconds. Actually, it won't take long. Okay, it's inactive now. Let's go to the query and see. Let's go to the query editor and see within the Redshift and see if the database is there. And this is my serverless server. I will be going and showing. So this is my Aurora. Where is yeah, so this one, Aurora MySQL, the first one itself. And then if you see here, I got all the data. So this one has some few tables, this one has a few tables. This is Redshift, and I will go and run a query against the data set. So hopefully you have learned how you can able to go and create a integration between the Aurora MySQL as well as and with the Redshift. With that, thank you very much, and please do like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thank you. Take care.